Hi everyone, welcome to a new tutorial. So in this video, I'm gonna draw Gear 5 Luffy because one of my subscribers told me this character is getting viral recently, so I decided to draw this. So let's start drawing with the mouth because it's the middlemost thing and bigger than anything. And we just have to draw a moon shape for this. Let's draw this line first. And draw the curve slowly. And just carefully, our moon shape is ready. For the teeth, let's draw a center line dividing it into two, and then another line creating a plus. And now just draw more squares at equal distance. And boom, it's ready. And now let's draw a center line for the rest of features. According to the reference photo, just draw two nostrils in the middle and just above the mouth. Now we have to draw two big circles for the eyes at the ends of the mouth, like this. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Let me know who's gonna watch the video till the end by commenting. By the way, I know all of you are gonna watch till the end. Also, if you guys find this tutorial easy, then like the video. And also subscribe to my channel, it's gonna help me a lot in my YouTube journey. And now according to the reference photo, we have to draw the eyebrows just above the eyes. If you guys observe the reference photo clearly, you will find a link and attachment between everything, like I just showed you. It really makes the sketches 80% easy. I hope this trick will help you. Let's draw this tiny cut. Swish, swish, done. And now just gonna complete the nose by connecting it to the eyebrows. And next, we have to draw the jawline. It's just a semicircle around all the features. So draw it carefully and it will be done. And now it's time to draw the hairs, starting from one eyebrow and ending at the other. This sketch is also gonna be too good and clean, but not like the sketch of Sukuna I did in the past. It was better. Anyway, I'm gonna add that video in the end screen, so watch it after completing that video if you want. That one may help you with the shading too. Perfect. Let's draw the rest of them. Now let's draw the ear equal to the eye and mouth in height. Similarly, draw the next one. There's really a story behind why I started a YouTube channel, and when I will achieve my goal, I will talk about it in detail in any of my video. Like, I will make a special video for it. And the goal is just getting 1 million subscribers on YouTube. That's really a great thing to do, but I literally sacrificed everything just to do that. Enough. I'm drawing the rest of hair now, and shading tutorial is next. To those who are still watching this video, love you for this. And now just putting on the mirror details, and I will draw the rest of body like neck and the shoulders. After completing the sketch, let's do a little bit shading. I'm using a 4B pencil. And now I'm drawing the little scratches all over his face. Time to do the blending. It's a blending stamp for those who don't know. Beginner tutorial is done, and now let's welcome you guys to the shading tutorial. So here I'm starting with a 4B pencil, and for the one who don't know, these pencils are called pencil grades. And now let's enjoy the tutorial and also rate this sketch in the comment section out of 10. Gonna get extremely happy if you guys do that. So in the sketch, I'm gonna complete the dark shading first with the 4B pencil, and then I will be using the light pencils too. And guys, a good news that I just completed 400 subscribers on YouTube. Thank you for your love and support, and let's go to 1K soon. And to support me, keep on watching my videos till the end, and also share them with the interested people like your friends who are interested in anime drawings. And now it's finally time to change the pencil, and I'm gonna use a 3B pencil which is lighter than 4B. It's time to use a 2B pencil for the further shading. But I thought 2B was not working well, it was more dark than required. So I switched to HB pencil, and it's the normal pencil that we use for writing. And I'm gonna share in the whole half face with this pencil. HB's job done, and now let's use a 4H pencil. It's a very light pencil, unlike we did before, similarly drawing the same structures and doing more and more shading. And that's how we are gonna proceed step by step in this shading tutorial. Finally, I'm done with 4H, and now I'm gonna use a 2B pencil which is darker than 4H. And now it's time to do blending, and I'm gonna use some of my blending stumps. You can see in the sketch blending is not needed, still looking okay. But if I have blending stump, then let's just do that. Doing blending or not doing blending is not a great deal, you can do both. But while blending, never use a used blending stump on light areas, it will ruin them. And now I'm renewing these cuts and scratches all over his face, and in the real time, only this shading tutorial took me around 4 hours. And in the video, I literally covered those 4 hours in 4 minutes. It may be looking so easy to you in the video, but it was not actually. I seriously broke my back. But it was not hard that too. I literally have drawn 10 hours straight before. And I was getting up next morning like nothing happened and getting back to work again. Every shading thing is done now, and let's use my sketching razor pen for refining the edges. And now let me give you some satisfying close-ups of how does it work. The purpose of sketching razor pen is actually to make your drawing more neat and clean. And in the language of those people who don't know anything about sketching, they say it's a print. It's a funny thing, right? Like bro, prints are not that clean. Prints are always fading. And now I'm using my white paint marker to make 2 white dots in the eyes. And finally, in the end, do your signature, and let's go to the final look. And boom! It's really looking too good, guys. And what about you? What do you think about it? Tell me in the comment section, and let's meet you in the next video. Bye! Watch the left video if you want to draw another sketch of same type.